to have time to paint with it. This week a little bit more, because I ordered something else as well, which I'm going to show you now. It's a book by Katie Moody. Yay! I just ordered the Katie Moody new sketchbook Joy, and it arrived today, and I am very, very happy to have this book. And now I have 2 toys. Oh my god, the smell of this book, the new book smell. And actually it's from England. Oh my god. So it's gonna be, it's need more time to talk about this book, but I knew I would love it. Sketchbook Joy, and yes, I am always having joy with sketching. And if you are not familiar with Katie Moody, check out her Instagram and YouTube channel, because she is one of a kind and you can learn a lot of stuff from her. And order this book, and it's gonna be your best companion through your creative life. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm sorry, but if I was not on video I would be jumping, because I wanted to have this book like for a long time now. You see how she is using the negative spaces. So Katie, thank you for making us this beautiful book, and I recommend to everyone to try to paint something from this book or the stuff in this book with a nice gouache paint. And see you in my next video. Bye bye. I was Viola from Passau, the rainy Bavaria.